fifth try. Fifth try doing the cup song. Hi guys, I haven't been posting videos in a while, and I'm going to, but guys, I haven't had my laptop, and you know, I just got an iPod for my birthday, yay! And I'm gonna successfully try to do the cup song for the fifth time, and hopefully I can do it good this time. Okay. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure would like some to complain. And I'm feeling small when you say I'm gone. I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round. Along the breeze of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers. Sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I kind of went too fast on some parts, but oh well. Loved it, and comment below, rate it, whatever you want to do. It's a rate 1 through 10, whatever, and just follow me. Well, I'm thinking this is Instagram, but my Instagram name is SammyGirl209, girl spelled G-U-R-L. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, thanks.